Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a different size bra pattern. So as you all know, bra pattern is really important when you're making bra. And first thing first, use your A4 size paper and then fold it in two, and then you have to cut it in triangular shape. Before you cut it up, just measure it with your measuring tape. So this one I'm making for the girls whose bust size under 30. So I'm taking 3 inches only. 3 inches is enough for the girls whose bust size is under 30. So cut in the middle, guys, and your bra pattern is ready. And the second one I'm going to make for the girls whose bust size is above 30. So this is 5.5 inches, and take another paper and make this bigger size. Just measure it first, and it's 4.5. It's 5 inches, 4.5 inches, guys. If your size is 32, 34, 36, then use this pattern. And this is it, guys. And this is all over side, all over the measure is 8.3 inches, and the other one is 5.5 inches. This one is 8.3 inches, and this one is 5.5 inches. And the next steps, guys, your bra pattern is ready. When you're making the bra, you should use these to measure and to cut the fabric when you're making a bra. And soon I'm going to make a video with this one, so just keep watching and stay tuned for the next video, guys. And I'll be sharing more of the summer videos, so just keep watching and keep supporting. Thanks so much, guys. So this is how actually we cut the bra when you're making bra using this pattern. So I hope you enjoyed this, and this video was helpful for you. So keep watching, guys. Thank you.